At some point or the other, we all want more from our role at work in terms of increment and promotion. These are the factors that help boost our confidence, worth, and career. You all know that it's important, but still you avoid this discussion with your manager, maybe because you feel embarrassed about it, you assume that you are not entitled to it, you feel like good things will happen to you by itself while you pursue your career with intention and purpose, or simply you don't know how to approach it. Whatever the case may be, but this is scary because what you are actually doing here is you are giving your power to your manager to dictate your career. So what you should do is pretty obvious, right? If you want increment and promotion, ask for it. In this video, let me tell you 6 tips which you can use to approach your manager for increment and promotions. You should start building your case 6 months before you approach your manager. For that, you need to have an honest conversation with your manager on your roles and responsibilities. Ask for recommendation on what you should do to improve in your current role and what you should do next to move to the next role. This includes taking more responsibility from what your role demands. Then start working on the feedback so that you can position yourself well when the time comes to make your ask. Understand the compensation policies, budget cycles, and policies at your company. Also do some market research on what others are getting which has similar experience at yours. This will help to build your case when you talk to your manager and HR. Good sources of increments and salary information are available at some sites like PayScale, Glassdoor, or Salary.com. Demonstrate your accomplishments and added value. Be clear on what you want to communicate. Note down specific examples of how you have added value to the business. Remember the time when you surpassed goals and expectations, when you have taken the initiative on a project or a task, how you have been known as the problem solver in your team, what you have done to enhance your skills, and any other certification or a course which you have recently completed. Remember, in the end, you need to sell your point on why you deserve it and not why you need it. There is always a right time to communicate your case. It doesn't mean that you have to wait for your performance review. If your performance review is still a year away, then you have to pick a suitable time. For example, if you have completed a high value project or a task, if you have been given more responsibilities, or if you have completed a new high value certification for your organization. Avoid times when your company has announced budget cuts, job losses, or poor financial performances. Communicating with confidence is the key. Practice what you have to say before you actually talk to your manager. Communicating with confidence helps to deliver your message with influence. It is likely you may not get a definitive answer from your manager, but don't be disheartened or take it personally. In fact, take this as an opportunity to talk to your manager on how to earn a raise or promotion in future. Also remember to thank your manager for this conversation. Depending on the discussion, take the next steps and move forward. Let me also give you one bonus tip. When you put a number on the table in front of your manager, do not give them a range like 8 to 10k. Because what happens when you give a range is, what you are saying is you're happy with 10k, however what your manager is listening is 8k. So always give them a definite number. I hope now you're ready to ask for a raise or promotion. Do let me know your feedback on this video, and if you have any more tips, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you later.